Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of POS product variants application by BrowseInfo. It helps you to view the variants count on the product template. You can select the variants via the POS pop-up. You can also enable the alternative variant suggestions. It's an option for auto close and the selection settings. This module adds a quick pop-up for the choosing the product variants in the POS, showing variant counts and offering configurable selection options. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and I'm just going to the point of sale, and under the configuration, I'm just going to the settings. And here you will find the configuration for the product variants. So for the same, you have to click on this checklist to allow the product variants. And if you want to set the alternative products, so you also have to click on this checklist. After that, we have option for if you want the pop-up is auto closed or closed when you want to close the same. So for the first, I'm selecting the auto close for the pop-up and I'm just going to save it. After that, I'm just going to the products and selecting one product. So for the first, you have to create the variants for the product. So here you can see we have created the product variants. After that, under the sales, here you can add the alternative products if you want to add. Now I'm just going to the dashboard and continue with the session. And here you can see the different variants for the products. So I'm just going to select the product so you can see the pop-up is automatically closed. Now I'm just going to select the alternative product also. And now I'm selecting the customer and going to make the payment for the same. So here you can see the receipt is generated for the same. Now I'm just going to the backend and under the configuration I'm selecting the settings. Now I'm just selecting the option the pop-up is only closed when we click on the OK. And I'm just going to save it and continue with the selling. Again, I'm just going to click on this variants and selecting the product. So this time you can see the pop-up is still opened. When I click on this OK, it will close after. After that, I'm just going to this variants, and if you want to search for the same, you have to just click on this so you can see the products are appeared according to filter we have set. And selecting the order we have made previously. So here in the order lines you can see the variants of products for which we have made the order is reflected and it is done successfully. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.